penis.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our unboxing of our EDC.
Dun, dun, dun,
Look at it. Well, they have like this black filter thing. See that? Alright.
It's cool. It says kinetic circle on the side.
Okay. So, first opening.
Dun, dun, dun.
So it kind of folds out and opens. That's the inside. This is like this side right here. Jeez.
It's really cool. Way better than Beld.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get, bro? What'd you get?
All right, first one. Little EDC pouch. Did you get that?
No. What the fuck?
We paid the same price, but I think people got different things.
Yeah, I got 3 of these things.
Wow. This is pretty cool. EDC pouch.
They also gave us like playing cards as well.
I also got 1 playing card.
I got 3 packs of stickers.
I got 1 pack of stickers.
And then 1 bracelet.
So it looks like GA Plus, EDC Vegas 2024.
The plus means we get to go to the washroom. Like a nicer washroom, I guess.
Did you get this?
Huh? Yeah, I got 3 of them.
Oh,
I think that's it though.
cool keychain. I did pay extra for this. $10. It's worth it. I like
it.
collecting magnets.
Worth it, worth it.
It's pretty big. Nothing on the back. Comes with a booklet too.
Sorry, 1 second. Let me change my spot. I don't like it.
I like it.
No, because you can see.
Yeah, the book
This is really cool.
It shows like the past EDCs.
Yeah. Lots of info about EDC.
Yo, that's crazy.
That's actually fire. That's so fire. Yeah. It looks more legit.
Bro, medium is fucking huge on me.
Okay, see ya.
Oh, that was
See ya, EDC.
EDC.